So today we are going to change the air filter for the engine for a 2019 MKC Lincoln, that is. The old filter is 25,000 miles old. We're gonna replace it. It's got some dirt on it. It's time for a new one. Pay attention to the little tab that it has over here. And guys, if you want to make your life easier, get your new filter and rip off that tab, because that's gonna keep your filter from not spinning, and if it's installed properly, it will not spin into the air box. It will stay put. So I'm gonna try to put this filter, and whoever invented this cramped air box over here should be taken care of. Alright, let's put this back in. It's a little tricky, so I'm gonna show you how it works. First of all, you have to put it in position with the hole towards the engine. And because you don't have that little tab, you don't really have to pay attention and waste your time with the useless thing. Now it has to snap in, and it has to go far enough so the outer sides will fit. I'm gonna show you properly. I hope you see it. Yes, it fits right in there and here. Let me put some light. Okay, now it's snug. Look, it doesn't swing, it stays put. It's time to put the cover back in. You use an 8 millimeter little key. Put it back in. It's got 4 screws. The last one, we have to congratulate the engineer for the great position where he decided to put that in. It's great. Thank you so much, guy. And it's better to start with the ones that are far away and difficult, because if you attach the first ones, then it's not gonna be so easy. So it's a 4 screws.